What's up, Mad Techies? Let me show you how easy it is to create beautiful redirection links using your TekMatix account. Now, as an example, I have an affiliate link that I want to share today, but it's the URL of the organization, in this case, Descript, with a big load of gobbledygook text at the end that relates to my unique affiliate number. It's going to be really hard for me to remember that, and it's going to look ugly when I share it. So I want it to be sarahcordner.com/Descript. How do you do that? Well, when you have a TekMatix account, it's very easy indeed. You're going to go into your TekMatix account, click on Sites and Courses, and underneath your Sites submenu, you have an option called URL Redirects. You're going to click on that bad boy there, press Add a Redirect, and you're going to choose your domain. In this case, it's going to be, I've got a special domain for my offers and my affiliate links. And my path is going to be Descript because that's the name of the product I'm promoting. So it's going to be offer.sarahcordner.com/Descript. And the target URL is where I want to send them to. And that's my affiliate link for Descript software. I'm going to press Add Redirect. And boom, now when I send somebody to offer.sarahcordner.com/Descript, that will actually send people straight to my affiliate link. Ding! If you want to grab yourself a free trial on TekMatix, go to www.tekmatix.com and you can come in and see just how sexy this is for yourself. See you there.